Our other voice feature is called Freestyle. Now, this doesn't require a template, and so Freestyle can be used when you have something that doesn't follow such a neat template. So an example might be an emergency appointment or a review. And I'll quickly show you how this works. It can be used to record the entire appointment. It can generate the notes from that, or you can do a quick summary and it will write the notes for you. So the patient attended today with a fractured restoration, upper right 1. The patient has got no sensitivity, but they were concerned about the appearance, would like it fixed today if possible. Medically, the patient is fit and well. There's no allergies. When we looked inside the mouth today, soft tissues were all completely healthy. The upper right 1 had some remaining composite on there, but there is a mesioincisal fracture of the composite. We are able to do a restoration today. The patient didn't require any local anaesthetic. We removed the remaining composite. We beveled the incisal edge. And then we etched, bonded and restored with a venous shade A2. That was adjusted for the patient's occlusion until the patient was comfortable, and it was polished until we got a really great appearance, and the patient was very happy with it. But I've advised the patient to return as soon as possible for a general checkup. So if I stop there, that was obviously a very quick transcript, but I can then select what type of appointment was. So let's say it was kind of a bit of an exam and treatment mix. It was more of a treatment really, but it's a bit flexible. So I can include write notes. And you can see that I've got a fully compliant set of notes written for me with all of the necessary information included. Now, obviously that was a very short dialogue and it's generated some good notes from that. You've also got the ability to refine these, rewrite the notes and elaborate or even shorten them.